With Eplan Harness proD, you can seamlessly transfer your schematic data from Eplan Electric P8 into your 3D harness design environment. Import native 3D models from leading MCAD systems directly into your project. Position connectors intuitively and let the system automatically generate. Define routing paths quickly and flexibly within the mechanical layout. Wires and connectors follow the predefined paths automatically. Generate nailboard layouts, wire lists, and bills of material directly from your digital harness model. Export your project as an HTML file and share it via the integrated viewer. Eplan Harness proD. Connect electrical and mechanical engineering.